good day. Welcome to Study Session 12, Developing Information System 1. Introduction. This study session discusses how to develop information systems by presenting the system development process and expressing the importance of new systems in fostering organizational change. Learning outcomes. When you have studied this session, you should be able to describe how building new systems can produce organizational change. Discuss the core activities in the systems development process. List and explain the various tools for business process management. Explain the principal methodologies for modeling and designing systems. New systems and organizational change. Building a new information system is one kind of planned organizational change. The introduction of a new information system involves much more than new hardware and software. It also includes changes in jobs, skills, management, and organization. When we design a new information system, we are redesigning the organization. System builders must understand how a system will affect specific business processes and the organization as a whole. Systems development and organizational change. Information technology can promote various degrees of organizational change, ranging from incremental to far-reaching. There are four kinds of structural organizational change that are enabled by information technology. 1. Automation. 2. Rationalization. 3. Business process redesign and paradigm shifts. Each carries different risks and rewards. The most common form of IT-enabled organizational change is automation. The first applications of information technology involved assisting employees with performing their tasks more efficiently and effectively, calculating paychecks and payroll registers, giving bank tellers instant access to customer deposit records, and developing a nationwide reservation network for airline ticket agents are all examples of early automation. Automation frequently reveals new bottlenecks in production and makes the existing arrangement of procedures and structures painfully cumbersome. Rationalization of procedures is the streamlining of standard operating procedures. For example, CIMB bank system for handling retail banking accounts is effective not only because it uses computer technology, but also because the company simplified the business process for opening a customer account. Tools for business process management. Over 100 software firms provide tools for various aspects of BPM, including IBM, Oracle, and TIBCO. These tools help businesses identify and document processes requiring improvement, create models of improved processes, capture and enforce business rules for performing processes, and integrate existing systems to support new or redesigned processes. BPM software tools also provide analytics for verifying that process performance has been improved and for measuring the impact of process changes on key business performance indicators. Some BPM tools document and monitor business processes to help firms identify inefficiencies using software to connect with each of the systems a company uses for a particular process to identify trouble spots. The system development process. The activities that go into producing an information system solution to an organizational problem are called systems development. Systems development is a structured kind of problem solved with distinct activities. These activities consist of systems analysis, systems design, programming, testing, conversion, and production and maintenance. Systems analysis. Systems analysis is the analysis of a problem that a firm tries to solve with an information system. It consists of defining the problem, identifying its causes, specifying the solution, and identifying the information requirements that must be met by a system solution. The systems analyst creates a road map of the existing organization and systems, identifying the primary owners and users of data along with existing hardware and software. The systems analyst then details the problems of existing systems by examining documents, work papers, and procedures, observing system operations, and interviewing key users of the systems. The analyst can identify the problem areas and objectives a solution would achieve. Often the solution requires building a new information system or improving an existing one. The systems analysis also includes a feasibility study to determine whether that solution is feasible or achievable from a financial, technical, and organizational standpoint. Systems design. The design of an information system is the overall plan or model for that system. Like the blueprint of a building or house, it consists of all the specifications that gives the system its form and structure. The systems designer details the system specifications that will deliver the functions identified during system analysis. These specifications should address all of the managerial, organizational, and technological components of the system solution. Completing the system development process. The remaining steps in the systems development process translate the solution specification established during system analysis and design into a fully operational information system. These concluding steps consist of programming, testing, conversion, production, and maintenance. Programming. During the programming stage, system specifications that were prepared during the design stage are translated into software program code. Today, many organizations no longer do their own programming for new systems. Instead, they purchase the software that meets the requirements for a new system from external sources such as software packages from a commercial software vendor, software services from an application service provider, or outsourcing firms that develop custom application software for their clients. Testing. Exhaustive and thorough testing must be conducted to ascertain whether the system produces the right results. Testing is time-consuming. Test data must be carefully prepared, results reviewed, and corrections made in the system. In some instances, parts of the system may have to be redesigned. The risks resulting from glossing over this step are enormous. Testing an information system can be broken down into three types of activities: study session testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. Modeling and designing systems. There are alternative methodologies for modeling and designing systems. Structured methodologies and object-oriented development are the most prominent. Structured methodologies have been used to document, analyze, and design information systems since the 1970s. Structured refers to the fact that the technologies are step by step, with each step building on the previous one. Structured methodologies are top-down, progressing from the highest, most abstract level to the lowest level of detail, from the general to the specific. Structured development methods are process-oriented, focusing primarily on modeling the processes or actions that capture, store, manipulate, and distribute data as data flow through a system. Object-oriented development, structured methods are useful for modeling processes, but do not handle the modeling or data well. They also treat data and processes as logically separate entities, whereas in the real world, such separation seems unnatural. Computer-aided software engineering case also facilitate the creation of clear documentation and the coordination of team development efforts. Team members can share their work easily by accessing each other's files to review or modify what has been done. Modest productivity benefits can also be achieved if the tools are used properly. Case tools provide automated graphics facilities for producing charts and diagrams, screen and report generators, data dictionaries, extensive reporting, facilities, analysis and checking tools, code generators, and documentation generators. In general, case tools try to increase productivity and quality by enforcing a standard development methodology and design discipline, improving communication between users and technical specialists, organizing and correlating design components and providing rapid access to them using a design repository, automating tedious and error-prone portions of analysis and design, automating code generation and testing and control rollout. Study session summary. This study session presented the system development life cycle, how to develop an information system, and the modeling and designing of systems. End of study session 12. Thank you for listening.